Hello and welcome back to the Guns and Glory show. It is March 5th, 2025. It's about 18 degrees in Ishpeming, Michigan, the Upper Peninsula. And we're having a blizzard. Started up early this morning and I ain't supposed to quit until about 10. Right now it's about 6. I love these storms, to be honest. I just got back from Marquette. Grandma's Buick is not coming back in here. The roads are trashed, like the side roads. Everybody's getting stuck when you try to leave the main road to get off the side road. People are getting stuck at that point. I was coming out the grocery store and we couldn't tell the difference between where the road was, where the field was, and how to... I missed the apron, followed some tire tracks right through the ditch, and could not be happier with my truck. It went right through there. I was laughing the whole way. I was like, this is fun. Anyway, take care, guys.